Welcome to this video on variables and assignment in Python. We will cover how to store and use data effectively in your Python programs. A variable is essentially a container for storing data. Every variable has a name and a value. Importantly, variables in Python are dynamic, meaning their values can be changed at any time. In Python, assigning a value to a variable is straightforward. Here we create variables for a person's name, age, height, and student status, demonstrating assignment with different data types. Executing the previous code snippet confirms that the variables were successfully created and hold their assigned values, which include a string, integer, float, and boolean. Python uses several common data types: str for text, int for whole numbers, float for decimal numbers, and bool for true or false values. You can check the type of any variable using the built-in type function. Here we assign different data types to variables x, y, and z, and use print type to display their respective types. Running the code shows the output of the type function for each variable: an integer, a string, and a float, verifying Python's dynamic typing. Variables can be reassigned. In this example, we start with a score of 0, update it to 10, and then increase it by 5, demonstrating how a variable's value changes throughout the program. The output confirms the reassignment, showing the initial score of 0, the updated score of 10, and the final score of 15 after the arithmetic operation. Python allows for multiple assignments on a single line, either for different values to different variables or the same value to multiple variables simultaneously. The script successfully outputs the values assigned using both methods: 1, 2, 3 for x, y, z, and 100 for a, b, and c. When naming variables, remember they must start with a letter or an underscore and are case sensitive. It's best practice to house descriptive names for clarity, such as user_age instead of x. These code examples illustrate both good and bad variable naming conventions, highlighting that variables cannot start with a number or contain hyphens. In summary, variables store data for later use. Python uses dynamic typing, meaning no declaration is needed. Always use meaningful variable names, and remember that variables can be reassigned anytime.